knock out 4 vui lý khéo tôi knock out
tia
chắc anh hi
với đi professor anh chính hiệu cũng nó mi cho Jason anh nhé
ấy anh thì rồi
นี่เรา Jason นี่แหละเอ็นนี่แหละsi
ที่
Jason
emที่อามีนั่นนั่นเสียงเล็ก
Jason
บางอย่างตุ้มปุยปาตัวนี้
อันที่ส่วนที่เราถ่ายเราเบียกกี่มันที่Jason นะชอบอันเนี้ย Jason นี่จวนนี่ไปชอบพัดไฟแต่มาชนตัวเรามาเลยแล้ววะมาชนตัวจริงอ่ะอินเดียนี่เสียนบ็อกเซอร์ท่าที่โบมันน่าจะใช่ฮานอกคนเดียวผลสักเลย IBF mini flight weight champion เนี่ยมาก็ต้องไอ้ตัวคุยกันว่าดูนะยันอันเห็นอันไต้เดลินจุดตัวที่ WBC Asia Continental Fight ไต้เดลิน Fight โดนจวนอินเดียบ็อกเซอร์ NT เฮียนี่ยังไงตัวนั้นยัง IBA Intercontinental Champion NT เฮียนี่แม่
เย็นเราจีดิก้าเราถ้าเราหาชวน
เห็นหัวนำโดน NT จวนไปดี Professor Fight อันนี้ชนตัวอาตมตุยปาตัวเฮียนี่ Jason เฮียนี่ไฟชอบประคัดมาชนตัวเขากันสวยทั้งท้ายลงมาแล้วนี่แล้วว่าไฟขัดนอกคอนเทสต์ปนสักเลย draw อันนี้อัน draw ปาดนะครับ IBF mini flight weight champion อันนี้นำโดนจวน
โอ้ที่จะเราทั้ง
ขี้เลยโจกี้เตะหายแล้วแม่โจกี้เตะจะกำลังตามาฮิบ็อกเซอร์นี่มาปุ่นสูงทัดตอนนี้มั้งขี้เอาไว้ที่48 kg เนี่ยเอาไว้ที่บ็อกเซอร์เขาเลยจวนนี้มานี่เวทไอซ่าก็เข็ดที่เขาตักอันนี้ตัวนั้นพอเห็น NT อักเข็ดนะเวทไอซ่าก็เข็ดโดนเอาซ้ำโดนเลย WBC Asia Continental Title Fight อันนี้เดี๋ยวมีอ๋อโอเคตายเนี่ยก็ป้าเราลองคีอันตอนนี้ Joshua เราเทรนต่อดูอันนี้เขาเสียไม่โดนนะครับเขามีแต่ข้างเนี่ยJill Wilson เลย Anthony Jill Wilson British boxer Rope Anthony Joshua มอเขามีเทรนนิ่งเขาเลยคุยต่อตู้ใน World Champion ก็สมนิประกันได้เราเชี่ยวต่อตู้เขามีท่านี้ตุ่มปีป้าตุ่มให้เองรับเงินก็ตั้งนี่อะไรเลยอินโดนีเซียเนี่ยก็ฉากน้ำปกติที่สองห้ากับเดียววางไอ้นี่เสียเราเงินDJMC Boxing Promotion เนี่ยจะเอาเนี่ยเขาบดใส่เนี่ยจะเอาเนี่ยเท่าเฮียนี่ PPV จังเฮียน 15% อันจังนะจวนDJMC เท่าเฮียนี่ 70% อันจังนะจวน NT เฮียน US dollar สั่งทุ่มมาหัวโดนเองนะครับจังเฮียนจวน PPV จังเฮียนี่ 10% อันจันทีเวดอนบอกอันนี้จะเอาเนี่ยเท่าเฮียนติดชาให้ก็จะไม่เกี่ยว
มีปลาที่เราเพลงที่เราตัดลงเนี่ยไอ้เจ้าเราเป็นคน
เขาจะรู้ว่าสิ่งสำคัญว่าเขา10% ที่จะเป็นอันเองเลยน้องเพื่อน
nuôi gì về chúng tôi nuôi
chuan ni NT coach smam puya lang na pia NT chin mo ko fa da kan lam la khan NT chung chaw soi nei kan chial mo NT chung pi chu Jason hi rock ta hak thin to hu ngai lo ni ha NT ne ang khel da he na ai na bawin an het na sa hi tu la ngai ma se NT hi a nek adik zo ka combination ho na sa Jason a chet ka ra hoi tam ta anek fu thein ko ring chu NT special kon dia NT hi a nek na zo ka a nek chu a nek nim zo chu tak chu chance kan nei na ani a round so ma in chak turin chance kan nei hem ka pa ke chuan za in chak kan chak ngai ka ring atia countdown to the middle is round series 4 tiam hing and pek in hek
minute ni ai lấy sẵn rồi thì cái này đấy mà sẽ minute khát à minute khát nó cũng là sẵn chúng maka bung suam paruk cang suam paruk ani sim cuma keren miso orang mani na acara kena mai macam dah
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment
Đó,
we've been waiting for.
say an Maktoum Hall World Trade Center Dubai
sẽ tỏ
mo
This is the main event of the evening.
tu mi hi main event
This fight is a title fight for
Anh
the
phân định lích mới sắp về
WBC
đấy.
Asia
Bro,
Continental title.
camera pa nga yung official ka sa kapatid sa
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight symbolizes the
event and tu kan kan channel
Zone thiên đã tìm về
Ayam
hết
mo soi le soi nu zone ti MSL antibok MPL antibok tu na tian boxer hautan nge boxer te ham that na mo Dubai ka te har sap te re an tu na bera Dubai an zog in nak thea ken
his professional
an na chak zui
9 wins, 1 draw, 5 by way of knockout. The world ranked 47, representing the Philippines,
Philippines sa ni oh
Jason.
Jason hi voice of buhat fight ang chon to at lo mala nei mi lo Ting deu na sian boxer tha tibo mona base kana no contest punsa ani a chuan IBF mini flyweight champion Rinima Kato kha Andrew Puya chuan NT hi avoi li avoi ngai na ka chuan ni ha ala chak na fa la knock out vek
Ladies and
bokone
gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Maksat Asna.
tiệt to phiếu
anh thấy không hiểu đâu
ngắt thả cái chân
anh thấy hiểu thôi mà
cái chân này
mu nam do ne phi da te nek ai nek tui ko ta chuan a mu nam do ti chiang hai ma WBC Asia Continental Fight ani tu na mi mo light flyweight
với của kẻ con đi khi để làm phim không bằng ao với
voi so pa ta hel to voi kwa sa ka voi khano voi khat no contest so voi khat in draw
lâu Alam mo nagrekto meron siya.
Relax. Thì parhaiten sellaisia
Beautiful combination by
Oh.
Jason Mason.
Hnek chuok tamman ni boka namang
Apa lang pa.
See that
DJMC
Draw.
boxing
you know,
promotion.
there's no waiting for these guys. There's no warm-up period.
Like I said, these boxes are fast. It's you know it's great
What
to
is
look
your
at
name?
the screen all the time to see what's happening there. And they are,
Mura to kami.
both boxes are very promising.
Saksaam
So,
zit van een goeie.
These fights they take you in heart.
Pakistan nila.
It's going to come down to, you know, both these guys have the ability to land knockouts. Both these guys have knockout power.
I've seen
Ilan pa kayo? Skimmy eller vad?
Oh, I've seen Nutla
Fight
fighting.
Fight på
fight på
ett
Hassan
tecken
Kamta
på
Zokala.
att se om
You know, I've seen his power. Wow, and it's ridiculous how close these guys are coming to
Että
actually
referentti
ending
tuttu
the
Saksaa.
fight with one shot.
Ja, det får det.
And you can tell from the first round there, you cannot
Ah,
tell the
men
first
det
round
kan
with
inte kan vara till fiska.
Han ger på princip till det så det är inte mängden
body
på
shot, and
det.
Jason Mason winced a little bit. He didn't like that
Oj,
one bit.
nek
You
fulla
can see his right hand a little low, trying to protect that body.
Round så tulen ja.
It's a little bit of a style short because he's got that.
Knock out lower arm
showing off
så.
that jab and then he's turning.
Inte hinner official atraka bara professional boxing si Venat Kanye.
Ambita Finnberg med dra till.
Looks like can fight. Look like
Men
he
de
can
reser
box,
så
he can
med
box,
inte på
and
nå.
he can take a punch, and he can take a punch. He can keep up. Both these men can keep up this pace. And you can see he's going for the body. Looks like he's got a good strategy.
Digging deep for the body shot.
Both these guys landing good body shots.
Zero ngay masay naman mo.
Referee giving instructions.
Zonet.
That's the worrisome part. Good body shot again, both these men. And you can see the dirty boxing in the clinch.
Lullusin a film dan hen själv
Both these
då.
men.
Good job from
Neck full it. Team oh,
Beautiful
neck
jab
full
by
it.
Nutla with a little bit of a shovel punch.
Wal renga hining sat nang ni tong.
Looks like he's doing a very good job.
Nutla very aggressive, coming in very aggressively. But
Regardless of
Som
the
bina
distance
vet
and
du.
the race
Ja,
that
men ni.
Jason is keeping.
exactly, Jason is staying patient. He's keeping his range. But you know, it's. I know both these men know it's a kind
Oh.
of big right hook.
Yes.
Oh, big like getting off balance with those shots. He's putting everything into those shots.
Box.
But you know that we talked about the fact that
Alltså
this is a
kastar
10-round
de
fight. It's a title fight. And we are end of round number 1. It's a title fight. But I don't see themselves are out there. They've got the pedal to the metal.
What sunnitay na sa tuna kanin.
Förskyltning fram Israel.
Jason have
He's
realized.
getting off balance.
Någon
Yes,
med
he's
rätt
getting off
huvud.
balance. Now the second round.
Ai kan du phát là rồi là cái
Kasi hi tuna hi chuan
Jason Mason caught him with an uppercut.
aram kan na hi Jason hin na raya hi chuan.
Jason has landed the more cleaner shots. Nutla is a little wilder.
em tia hian
Coming
ni
in
rồi là
with
cái
he's
còn
coming
mẹ
in
kho.
trying to take his head off. But
Video
Jason
si
is
pag
staying
kanin
patient.
round 2 ta kan tidem.
Uppercut and hook counter in the previous round.
Chân lu hà cho lắc gì nó cũng ổn.
Good job from Jason.
Jason, the taller of the two fighters, a little longer arms and legs. He's got
Ăn cuốn cái
It's like
cái
a picture
bọc
advantage.
chuyện rồi.
타하면 보세요는 하고.
good jabs by Jason.
Good job also from Nutla. He's keeping it.
That's the thing about Nutla. He's just jumping over. Ferocious right
So
hand.
so inhud round 1 ka Jason hin
But he needs to
ala.
yeah, that I was telling you. But he has good power, man.
It's got great power.
So
Impressive
NT
power.
hi film
But
ko
that
ngai.
power is no good if you
Atong
can't
sipa
land.
hi
Oh, big right hook.
professional fight voice shop pahat.
It's a fastball.
Lao về tới
Tatsak lo ulan nei law ni.
En tiyan mo.
Ồ hay em ti cái em kia cái này lúc à
To kanok out na kanita taro mo ini ka.
mấy bữa tới
Good combinations by Jason.
Good combination from
đi
Jason.
là sĩ tour
Great
po cái này
hand
đó.
speed showing by Jason Mason, and you can see he's trying to stay patient. It looked like he can't allow Nutla to get. He
He
can't
needs
allow
to stop
Nutla.
that habit he has of jumping inside.
Exactly,
Because he can get contact.
India versus Philippines.
Short range. The minute he gets him
Round
against
ni
the
na
ropes,
round ni na.
Nutla shows lands some good body shots, and that left hook is a whisker
Alas na
away
ito
from hitting
no.
Jason.
Jason trying to counter Nutla as he steps in. But man, what a frenetic pace of this fight. I think they've thrown more punches in the first 2 rounds than all the other fights combined.
Video from Nutla.
I wish we had a fight metric stand
Oh
on the
my
fight.
god! Nutla doing good, very job.
It's that overhand right that he's looking for, but he's not landing very clean. He's setting it up. Beautiful jab by Jason. He snapped his head back.
Ale
Jason need to keep,
Jason
to
Jep
remember that
phụ để dậu
when
ra
he
là
defend his counterpart
nghĩ
is
anh toàn khi sử dụng rồi dạ
and he cannot allow
이제 시작하면
No, now you can see that Jason's made the adjustments. The minute Nutla steps in, he's coming up with that uppercut. If he did slow,
سوف علمت مجال زوفان
and
مياه
see again, he turns away from it. But now this is where it gets dangerous because now he's got him tied up against the ropes, and that's why Nutla is trying to use a little bit. Beautiful jab by
다
Nutla.
좋은 듯이
Nutla is really doing good job.
WBC Asia Continental title fight
Jason talks
and
about
oh light flyweight
constantly moving, but you know, move backward.
DJMC Boxing Promotion dấu trong cột buộc chạy rồi
You can see that caught Jason's attention.
dấu
Jason's
lên
going back with the combination.
dấu lên thì phật lậu thành lậu hi nè dấu lên hi piang tao lậu xe tú là hianin anh cần man li phi kan ti đó là mi thì cheng ra thum zanga kai hiel to me thei cheng ra ni ala ni rang tu thang hian
Smart, and I think it's Nutla had a slight edge so far. Out of a slight edge, but Jason's counters actually. That's right. We take a look at the replay there. You can just see here. It's Nutla's body shots are landing over and over, but that uppercut from Jason, I think 10 seconds.
third round
I won't have fun with this.
trong lại đó nè DJMC event
We go to that.
Jokes apart, third round has begun for this amazing title fight for the WBC Asia Continental Light Flyweight title.
Phi chưa bắt nọc về.
Nice
Nên
left
đều
hook
tao
counter by
anh
Jason
phải
Mason.
thực phụ khi bấy nữa.
And Nutla looking to attack the body.
사실
This
NT는
is dangerous for Jason. He lets himself
어떻게
stand.
되는 요
I don't
디자인으로
know why he keep on dropping back.
어제 우선 맛이
Again another left hook. That left hook, the minute he turns to his right, that's why he's turning to Nutla's, he's turning to Nutla's left. He's turning to his left,
He's showing
away from that left hand of Nutla.
Hua ke lian zo la ta ho dam lai khanin MPL hi choi bel huam khanin an tia MPL an tang kai je chi
But he's still turning towards the right. So
Nge,
you have to be careful because
MSL an lo ISL a mi zo footballer tam tak an noi tel lo
You see Nutla
apui
with
kha
body shot and right off.
ISL a khanin ten a khanin Indian footballer zing lo tam
and
dar
the
ni
jab as
to
well. Nutla is landing a lot more
je
cleaner.
je te vai bel se te an ho to boka
You can see his corner.
chuan basketball an in MSL an bol se boka zo na tho hian
In series 2.
chuan tian
And I've said
pay per
this,
view
we
hanga
make- we
in thei
discussed
turin
this time and
boxer
again, those body
boxing
shots
mo
sap you of the energy.
an promote le ni zo na
Draw
thei
you away.
You
and
see
fuck
now,
on
you
thought
can see from this round, Jason has
zo na subscriber hi
He's slowing down a little bit because of the
LPS
body shots. That's right.
zo na tat apian ke atang nga lo ni kan ni a
Nice work. A good combination by both the men and good snapping jab by Nutla.
kan zo na
too much punches,
em
trading
pi
too much
ni
punches.
zo
I'm
na
telling you,
chung
man,
kwa
I'm telling you,
kan
the amount of punches landed in this fight has surpassed all the fights.
Anh tê khi thì tập tế cái
Beautiful counter by Jason. Nice left hook. Come on, look at that one right again. But that's the thing. Now Nutla is getting a little predictable with that one and right because Jason is seeing it coming a mile away.
ngờ.
And he's dipping low. Jason is trying to time him with that uppercut.
필긴 거의 앞뒤에서 했는데
He's landing three punches.
He's finding more success with that left hook.
Jason
That
needs to
left
keep the
jab.
distance.
Jesus.
세는 방앗당 좀 웃긴 하고
Yeah, he's trying to land some body shots and some right overhand.
Exactly, and he is landing those body shots. If he can't get the head, he looks for the body. There you go again. This is the fifth time that we've seen that.
Ủa là
left
ra
hook land.
lụ chịu tao khi cho nên ăn được rồi cả hàng trăm xuất chế được đó.
Same thing I keep on telling.
And you can see from the face of Jason is that damage is wearing on him a little bit now.
And he needs to keep the distance. If he needs to survive, he needs to keep the distance.
Man, this
Because
is
if he allows himself to get punished this way, I don't see this fight going to the end.
no, maybe not. Maybe we might see a stoppage earlier because Nutla has now got backed up in that corner, and the referee is certainly getting a workout in this fight. It's a short ring, and he has to move along.
third round 2 có hiểu đó là chuan
Yeah, because he's landing a couple of counters from time to
anh
time,
nhìn draw
but
cả hai
they're not landing clean. It's after this last round,
I
I
think
think
they
Nutra
are
is
missing.
turned around a little bit because he's landed the better combinations. You can see that straight, beautiful left hand, and that right hand that landed over and over. But Jason had some good moments. He landed some good counters. But again and again, he landed that left, look at that combination, body and head. He landed that over and over, and that right hand in this last round 3 times. He found success to that left.
fourth round ring gal te pawh khi an long te pawh lian tha khóc mai
Thăm này là ham mong lắm rồi.
And he need to use his jab. With his dropping his hands up, his hand down. And he's trying to, the thing is that he's trying to time him coming in, and that is what is allowing him to close the distance.
Ram 같은 미니 tummo.
Because I think Nutla is okay with eating 1 or 2 in the pocket.
Just
So that he can land in front of his own.
그럼 너무 한 뒤에
Again,
할게
listen at
가려운
this.
거.
Jason does a great job circling out.
Nutla is a fighter. He's a boxer. He's ready for whatever that is the ring.
Both these men have come here to fight. Oh, beautiful left. That left has found the home over and over. The minute he switches to southpaw, that left has had success. You can see in orthodox when he throws that right hand, Jason's ready for it. But in southpaw, he doesn't see that left
boxing
hand coming.
trainer là Anthony Wilson anh là Anthony Joshua bác anh em
NTR boss này
world champion summit Church Walk 2 US trainer
Right now he's fighting southpaw.
kami khal anti here train kan Dubai
Nutla
at
is
mo
finding great success.
kha te pon la
Good counters by Jason.
If Jason counter punches, if he go on counter punches, it's working. But if he stays sluggish,
Trong lại thì nó có anh tin dụ ảo
Nutla is
không mà.
working.
sắp trong cái thiểm tục nó te khan mo mai nek do
A
la
lot
te
of
khan
counter, lot of instructions being screamed out by both the corners.
vào trong có chuyện
Jason needs to do one more thing.
Maybe that's
Is
not
it just me or I think from Jason's right eye
Navy officer
is really very
apa untuk bisa itu dengan profesor boxing kalau kali mo oh Indian oh yes
nó sẽ hợp nên thi đấu của nó
밖에 뭐
Atong pui pa mo.
별로 사실
If you told in the ring, you need to use the reach.
yes.
Which Jason is not doing.
Again, beautiful right hand, and Jason now looking to come after him. Nutla is again with that left, and I can't keep repeating myself.
Nutla is hungry.
If he's fighting like this, he looks like he's going to be able to reach his goal tonight.
아니면 버티긴 뭐
A little bit of a wardrobe advantage. The WBC sticker on the shorts. And I think the referee has not noticed it yet.
à nên là nói chuyện
But like you said,
trong
Nick
sang
has now slowed down.
có
a
mà
bit.
trong
He's realized it's a title fight. In the fourth round, I can't put him away that quickly. So I'm going to lean on him. I'm going to hurt him. And see the body work. Consummate the minute they get into the shorter range. Beautiful counter from Jason, but good body shots from the minor line.
Good job from both boxers. Trading some heavy punches.
Đây của phán từ đây chiêm rồi có số.
Beautiful combination from Jason at the end of that round. What a fight, ladies and gentlemen. We have a fight on our hands.
We go to 5th round now.
Wow. I mean, it's now going to be the halfway mark. 5 rounds and then 5 more after that.
Lý nan sao để ta
Incredible.
Jangan gitu loh, elok kok
At the
elok.
start of that round, looked a little weary.
Elok
Getting
ang
caught
tuwe.
by Nutla. You can see that
Wrong
left.
pala.
The minute Nutla fought southpaw, the approach changed, and that's what created the openings. Jason can see that right hand coming.
You can see all the palm punches are connected.
Em thì hi ở chặt lâu lắm. Không phải đà là chuan round 6 round 5
He's doing a fantastic job. And again, now he's back in orthodox. Back in orthodox, he's going to look to
establish that jab, and Jason
นัก
is
ชก
on
ทำ
his
เว
mind.
เว
You can see the
เนี่ย
leg
อั
now.
น
He's
หัว
using
น้ำคบ
the leg
ไม่
to
อินเวที่ก็ของเวของเรา
trying to block it from coming
มี
in.
เจ้า
Full body
มีเจ้า
shot.
หัวน้ำติดชื่อค่ะ
Nice uppercut by Jason. Now we're seeing a change in tide here.
นัก
It's
ช
been
ก
thrown
มัน
out.
น่าหนา
We're
สมอง
looking at a different. We're looking at a different Jason. He's a little more aggressive.
เอ๊ะ
Nice combination.
เคยออกก็ถึงเนี่ย
Beautiful combinations by Jason. And Lalvia
ก็
Kima
จะ
comes
เจ้า
over
ค่ะ
the
ก็จะ
top.
โอ้ยน้ำไทยแล้ว
I think he needs to switch to southpaw.
I think Southpaw was working better for him.
Southpaw is working way better for him. But I think
Southpaw.
you know he's received the corner instructions.
I think he's now they realize that Edison was not working for him. Good body shot, good counter.
Now when Jason has been landing counters in this fight, see again, beautiful shovel punch. Caught his opponent coming in. But Lalvia Kima is
Yes.
Oh, and then he stepped in with that left hook.
หลบทุกคนนั่น
Good body shot there. But you can see both these boys having a good time. It's all sportsmanship.
Having fun.
DJ MC
Fun
boxing
boxing.
Yeah.
Fun boxing. Yeah. Both fighters they know. We're doing this for fun. We're doing this for championship. And you cannot come and take it away from me.
No.
Both of them they need it. Both of them want it.
That's the beauty of BGMC boxing is the promotion that gives an opportunity for young fighters for a chance at the belt. And it's incredible because the fighters realize it that under the promotion they have a great chance to make a mark, to put on a show for the fans. Because sometimes they've seen boxers that just try to coast, try to win on points.
มันตีจับมันตีหางหน่อย
This time I think Jason woke up from his sleeping there.
And he's landing much better counters.
ไม่จริงจริงเลยแต่อีกเห็นนะอัน disqualify ฉันเขาบอก
But I like this man from
คันโจคันโลก
He
มัน
smiles every time he gets stabbed.
นี่จูจริงดิ้งเหรียญแต่อิน
อั
เด็
ก
ก
โล
อันดิส
อัก
คุ
โล
ลิฟา
มัน
ยค่ะ
ข้าอักโลมันบุญข้าพันโลนานพันโลเรามั่งเหนียว
Conditioning of both
ดิ้งเหรียญแล้วจับชั้นเขากันเราเชียวเราเฮ
this kind of damage and keep this pace.
อันดอกดอกมันพันโลอันมันวางค่านี่ดิ้งเหรียญนะครับจับตา
when
นี่
I'm looking boxing, yeah.
อันดิสคุลิฟายตานี่
When I'm watching
ลาสตันปะค่ะ
Why?
มัน
I
ต้อ
cannot
งเลี้ยง
watch
ตลอด
I see people trading in.
อันนี้ไม่ถึงเงี้ย
Do not sell yourself short, my friend.
Good job from both.
Good head movement.
อย่างเงี้ย
Beautiful jab. And Jason stepped in.
Yes
あの顔整形みたいな
Jason now becoming the aggressor.
อ่านไว้
Caught with that left
ฟู
hook
เรา
again
ฟิน
by
ฟูแซงชัวนะ
This round number 5 has been all Jason.
Все-таки повыцал круга.
อืม
All of them they have the similarity
เดี๋ยวแล้วพวก
of
ที่
Manny Pacquiao
อัน
fighting
ละ
style.
ส่วนสองเขาไม่ก็ดีเลยอ่ะโดนเด้งโตเตะแล้วเนี่ยเห็น
You can see his
คือ
corner.
ที่มีเจ้าเขาแอนตูนี่ที่
She's a champion too. She's been in this position and she was in the 8th round. Sorry, in the 5th round.
ดูไบดูไบใจกับหัวกี่ตัวเฮแต่นักบันเตาว่าบุญอาแค่นั้นก็จะได้วันนี้
The worst thing she did was you got time. 5 more rounds.
Điện in thành đó là in hết cái phút của anh chiên rượu nè.
Exactly.
จะผ่านทุ่งลงอยู่
We saw Jason. We saw Jason.
ดีเจ MC ตัวก็สั่ง
Good
ซึ่ง
round.
ตัวก็สั่ง
พี่เวลาไล่เวลาอันตีวางเห็นยังไงเขียนลูกเนี่ยต้อง
She's
เด็ด
got some great advice in his corner. Round number 6 now.
เราเงานะครับจุดเตียนนั่นแหละ
Literally at the
why
halfway
it's
mark.
one.
That's right. Gotten 5 rounds in.
เราหนุก
This is
นะ
a tough one to
สมั
score.
ยเชื่อ
Jason has started to pull this back. In the last round, he showed some stellar counter punching.
ฟิดาแต่เอ็นเตียข้านี่นั่นตัวชีนะ
Like coming in on
พวก
multiple
สัม
occasions.
ชาก็เทนดูก็เตียง
That 5th round.
พวกสัมชาเดิมค่ะเน็ตคุยค่ะดูสีอ่ะ
Good combination from both boxers.
อะดูเงี้ยพวกสัมชาจะตรงตาอะไรกันจวน
ฟิลิปปินส์
ฉันจื้อสี
นี่ประสูติช่วง
มาเวลาเอ็นเตียเนี่ยกันเราเอ็นต่อหูค่ะเอ็นตีข้านี่นะเนี่ยเทนิตุกะ
But not like
ค่ะเอ็นตีจวนนี่
I like the point that you say when
see
Luther is
the-
southpaw, it's working for him rather than staying on orthodox because each and every time he stays on
yeah, because
orthodox.
now he's
yeah the fighter trying to help
now
him
getting countered
But
and
to
beat up by
Khan-
Jason, who just landed a beautiful
Yeah.
overhand right.
bỏ quỹ đồ tao bỏ ra này cho
làm cho là chuẩn nó như thế
It's
rồi
come from those right hands that Jason's been landing since the last round. And I think he's a little fatigued as well. I can see he's starting to slow down.
còn 6
But he needs to switch to southpaw because he got a lot more
You have to fix the
success.
tech.
He's going to realize, he's going to take a look at the
Eh.
tape afterwards. He's going to realize that,
Silver tape
perhaps
pinsan
he had
mo.
better access to that southpaw stance. Because that left
tụi nó
hand
mi
was
cho anh
landing
tiên
so
adu
well.
phải sàn
It was landing over and
bốc
over
cha
again. And it was incredible. I loved
DJ
it. I loved the
MC
approach that he
hiện
had for the
ăn
entire
sụp sọc
tape. It was incredible.
à mi khá ôn sân đều hết cả nhỉ
Good job from Nightlight.
nát lại mình đã làm sẽ MT ở tí đã sẽ
Has got a hold of his timing now. And
dù
he's
đương nhiên là
timing
tới
him
khó là
coming
chỉ
in
nào
every
khó
time.
nín
mình sẽ
He's
có
making him
Oh,
pay
good
for
job.
it.
anh nghe
Every
anh
time
đầu
he's stepping in, he's
sẽ
making
chiến chịu là mà
đúng rồi đấy.
short left, catching him.
anh lo phần phần lòng cái ra stand box là khá là lòng mà nó vào khá nín anh disqualify ta đương nhiên là khá
No, good job
khá
from
nín
Jason.
ta
Good job from Nightlight also. He responded with the same
cái
pass.
phản để cái tí đó nghe
không phụ quá
Jason
rồi
is landing the better counters. He's catching, not like coming in every time.
Rong về sau đó thì hết tụi tôi có
Again, both fighters landing jabs.
à mình có mày tụi pha khi mà
Oh, good job from
Jab.
Jason doing good job.
Jason since the last round has turned this fight around completely and has taken
Round
control
number
over this.
6.
He started countering and timing him
Okay.
perfectly.
10
And then
9
maybe Nutla is just
Ê,
taking
với
it
cả
slow
tất
for
tía
these
đó.
rounds.
anh tí hi hội sen cái tí đã chặn
And he's
chưa
got 4 more rounds after this.
anh nè tụ chiến sa anh nè tụ chiến sa cái mẹ bốc sa
Good
đẹp
job.
đều đều
No, he's not. He's
Ah,
I
bên
think
là
he-
cái tiếng hầu cái cái chúa nín nghe cái tiếng anh như là
this is what is
chúng ta anh hết quy cái bộ hi
if you try to stand
làm
and
đúng
take
dốc
the
tất
striker,
cả
anh mà ai anh liệt
will pick you
anh
apart.
liệt ta professional fight lòng hát
And
xuân
he's,
tổ
I
hai nhỉ
think he's apart from that.
khi anh được
Phi
sao
nghĩa
cái
rồi.
gì bốc sa cha đấy
đúng rồi
sập sủa sập tu tu anh được vàng hai
But
nhìn
when you
nghe
said before, if he
tiếng
keeps
tiếng
Jason is using his distance and he's still keeping on.
rồi bắt sập company để bộ hát thảm với nhỉ chứ anh mà để bộ hàng grassroots tí mì nghe nhỉ khá tất nên để bộ hàng thuộc không à
He
để
kept on
biết là
striking
không
him with some straight over right hand and
anh được vàng tắc bốc sa cái tuần đầu vàng hai nhìn
He switched for a
dù là
second.
DJ MC
Landed
mà
constantly,
sẵn hầu
but otherwise, the
khi nhìn
negative
anh được vàng
is
tắc
not
bốc sa anh sập chuộc anh sập
and I
chuộc
don't
sập
know why that's
thế
the
nào
another work of his team.
anh nếu đầu Jason thì
If this one is in position and it's working, then you have to stick on that plan.
Maybe we should explain now.
trời ơi post đó mấy rau sống từ đó nhá từ nào rau sống đấy
Round number 7 down.
3 more rounds to go.
round limo 7 8 9 10
And then we
rau
done and done.
tụi nó kèm
Sống
với
hai
cái vườn
chắc
đi.
là chân cái này khá tiện
Here we go, round number 7. This
Jason
incredible
đúng
championship
tổ
fighter
ái lầm
joining us. This fight is
nó
for
tại là
the
hạt chuyện là
WBC
thấu khá nhiều anh
Asia
tí này khẩn đấy không
light flyweight title.
Brought to you by the
nó sẽ anh tí hi anh hẹn cái tiếng dạo combination không nó sẽ thật Jason nó chết cả là với tấm anh hẹn phụ thị cái ring ở tí cột MP khăn mò ý chơi đẹp đó
Middle East.
nó sẽ là anh tí hi anh hẹn nó dọc á
They
anh
check
hẹn
the whole
so anh
scenario.
hẹn
So
hẹn dọc
in
chuyện
boxing
bọc ở tia
event in Dubai.
chỉ bằng chuan
I
à cột
had them right now. They want to go. They want to explore. Maybe in future. we
kuman
don't know,
puya
maybe they might
kuman
go
puya khát chỗ này
to
anh tí hi
Africa.
chặt tôi khá là basic
Yeah, that would be incredible.
I would love to come to Africa with you.
Maybe I should get them this hit because we can get good talent from Africa.
That is a matter for another day because right now we are deep
Philippines thôi nó
at
mì
the end of this kind of fight. Neither man is looking to quit. If anything, it's strengthened their resolve to try and see this outcome to an end.
bà hỏi tôm alien không á
Jason.
alien nào đâu
thì
không
ra cái chụp cái star
Jason has opened up and he, you know, like
Good uppercut. Oh my
beautiful
god.
lead uppercut by Jason. His Lalkiawa needs to just, I'm so sorry, Nutlai has to just switch stances. He needs to, well, you know, I don't know how to switch stances.
Yeah, he needs to switch stance because we saw from the first round and the second round he was doing very good.
First, second, and third, even.
Yeah, he did
Lấy mình
doing
làm
very
chuyện
good
rồi
when
anh
he
đi
was
hẳn
southpaw.
fighter
Again, whenever
ta
he
đủ
switches to
đó
southpaw,
chặt
all
thuộc
the
cái
top
management là mà for fighter thà là ông
Disqualified
cái lối lên cái
là
chuyện đó bây giờ mình bị ta làm chỗ cái đủ
Now he
tin
switched to
vào là như
southpaw.
khai đấu sử tôi
Switched to southpaw, and immediately
rồi nó mình
he was getting a little uncomfortable.
Yeah, whenever he
nó
changes
sợ
to
này
southpaw.
một tay
Phải
rồi
không?
nó
Để
sợ
xe rồi.
anh kẹt con kẹt rây tỏ rẽ rau sợ là nhá
Exactly, because the angle of approach changes.
rau thì làm phê cái chuyện thì khăn anh kẹt đấu mà do khăn cái chuyện đấy
Oh,
rồi
again, in orthodoxy,
rồi
it's
anh được
countered.
bằng tất
Look,
cả là
he
chuẩn
does
đi
it as well.
JMC
Each
và
and
một
every
số
time he stay on the
boxing
box.
show
Exactly, it's frustrating to see because
boxing
it's,
anh
you
chặt
know,
sụt
I'm pretty sure he's getting the
Đó.
points of license smaller, but
I have
rồi
tried
rồi hưu dễ chọn như vậy rồi phải tao rõ vậy à tóm nhà mà chẳng tỏ gì hai người đều là xuyên boxer tra
Oh, good
Bro.
shot on both of them.
à nó còn tới 3 point sắc á chọn IBF mini fight flyweight champion rồi nhưng mà cá anh được quý vào trong quý đâu nè thế là NTP IBA Intercontinental Champion line nhá tu na anh in chịu ta kiện hit số trong WBC Asia anh cho anh kia ta na har sát là từ chú oh wait là king đi đâu à okay
That's the end of the round. We go into round number 8. The last 3 rounds
hit
remaining.
anh kia cho này hit Indian
I
boxer
think
à
somebody needs to. I think Nick.
사실은 좀 찌들어
My friend, you need to change to southpaw. I don't know if you can hear me.
chắc nó
You
cái
need to
hậu
stay
không
on
này
southpaw.
You know what we're doing is not
그
right.
쭉 너무 힘줘
But yeah, I'm not yelling.
I'm just doing my job. I can see, I can overview both sides. And just on if you say on the way he was doing the first round, doing some counter punches and it was working for him.
Let's take a look at those replays. It's just over and over again. We saw
cái vòng chia vòng về
but we
anh tu
saw
kho
the proof. The minute for a few seconds, for about I think 20 seconds or 30 seconds, when he switched to southpaw,
It's working for him.
because
So really,
Jason doesn't like that left hand coming.
That's what for Jason.
In order to
And
Jason.
I don't know the reason why, whenever he works, he gets
cái
extended.
dâu
He did.
That is the
And
why.
again, he switched to other
I mean, that's
people.
all.
Yeah, catch him out. Boom. Okay, Jason punishing it. Nice body shot there. Again,
그럼 저만이 계속 저만이 계속 힘이 좀 든든한거나
beautiful left hook.
저
Good
무슨
down
무슨
from
Beautiful uppercut catching him when he comes in.
good hook from Jason again.
That's
Good uppercut from Jason again.
it's just you know it's that's the thing. He becomes Nutlai becomes a moving. It's just a moving target in orthodox.
cũng biết bao
And
khi
in
anh
southpaw,
ti
he
ai
hides that
professional
left hand
fight
and you don't see it
anh
coming.
ti lệ
He
khen
cuts
đó
it.
khoan ít là
I don't
ta
know why the team is not working, asking him to stay on the same position.
Jason doing a very good job trying to counter and gets out of harm's way. Nutlai trying to find an opening with that jab. Again, that fast ball on the right hand, just getting out of it. But that's what we said. Jason is seeing it coming.
In quad sao
He's
biết
seeing
này
it
nó
coming a mile away because Nutlai is only looking to set up that right hand. Yes, he's landing some good hooks. He landed a good left hook there.
범인이 기대되더라. 사람 더 너무 알아.
Landed a good body shot. Jason,
Good job from Jason. Nice uppercut.
man, Jason's uppercuts. When he
Oh, you know,
Beautiful
that's
uppercut.
me.
à
That's what I thought.
còn phải về
It's a bit,
nói
Yeah,
này
I think that corner has dropped a little bit of water there. And that can injure a fighter because of the slip.
어제 또 그만 인맥 안 팔러 게 안디가 이러까.
phần lậu à tôi không biết
yeah, they need to get one pouring water on the corner.
Yeah, I mean that's part. You know, it's just to cool the fighter down, and but it's the corner's job to keep it clean, make sure there's no water. Nice shots in the clinch, and you see again, Jason down. He needs to go hard again for the next 2 rounds. Oh my God, how is Nutlai standing? He's eaten so many
come on
counters.
MP
Oh, big overhand right, and a good left.
엔티엔 전조가
Very,
뭐야?
very nice. Wow.
안돼 그 아웃해.
If that hand catch him, it was
Yeah, I don't dispute that one bit.
yes
Again, oh, that's a big
안날 뻔히 또 올라간 거 같지? 예.
아까 르시 힘 좋은데
Man, looks like just stepping. I think there's something hurt
에이,
Jason.
에이,
That's
에이.
what I'm talking about. He need to stop jumping on those punches. Because if Jason gets to
Oh, he caught him with that right hand.
음.
No, but if there's something up, Jason is gotten a little.
자꾸 라이트 들어.
I don't know. Slowed down or he's got hit by a hot shot.
就會找到啲
Yes.
It looked like just
Saka after
coming, stepping in, looking to man. But Roger shots.
นินทาดัดเติมมันเนี่ยเลยไปจะก็แบบ
Oh, big left
頭
hook.
嘅咯
Oh,
Ay,
big
don't
right.
see him
That
break
one
up.
connected. And you can see Jason felt that one immediately. But man, what a chin.
Jason has a great chin, man.
No, his eyes just
Into-
opened wide.
전략전.
anh đâu mà đừng
아까 저 아까 레티
Oh, he's
thôi
got a
nhưng
great
đâu
chin.
rất là mấy
And we go into round number 8.
Yeah,
Is it
that's
8
just-
or 9? We go to round number 9.
ก็ส่งมาว่า
Wow. You know, the last time I was here,
Put on number 9 at the final.
Dekwal, and he was fighting against
라운드 찌엄 동안.
Nairobi.
He went
đâu mấy
ở tôi là final
phai là
and he went to the 10th round and he knocked him out in the 10th round.
Last round NT hit 차 후드 내려전. NT hit 차 그린 거
저도
외전.
Sachin Dekwal
거의
knocked him out in the
메이커니까
10th round.
다음에
That is incredible.
Can't
They fought
take a-
round for 9 rounds.
Butterfly play.
Like both these men are doing, they're giving it their all, they're giving it 200%. But in that 10th round, bang, knockout.
And the fight was done.
And the fight was done.
난 더러.
It's absolutely incredible.
MT 할 가능하이.
Anh lại không sao cái này.
thì nó có cái là trong thầy
Here we go, 9th, and well, one more round after this to decide it.
알아보면 길도서 특정하고
Men are getting a little more aggressive and going after it.
음
Saw a lot of action, a lot of heavy
Knockout,
action in
yeah.
the first 3 rounds.
nó
4
có
rounds
được
and then
nó
slowed down a little bit in the fifth,
또
sixth.
나래.
Jason taking
알아보
control
또 그래
over again.
잡세 안 했다 담배
But in the last fight, in the last round, looked like
ăn
came in
cũng dọc
like a
ở
crazy
khăn
man,
là tài
trying to fight to end that fight with combinations. I think that round.
아 실버 에텍 마셔 키 한포에 그러는데 뭔가 좋아.
But it's a even, it's a tough fight to score because I don't know how they score it.
thì là nó mà
라운드 저만 계속 작정서 난 인수월세.
Again, that big overhand right
에
here.
안 맞는 안 맞는
만나도
포인트 삭세요.
어, 실링 빼.
Jason trying to come in,
학교도
catch him with some
아까
combinations.
저런 실수인데 그거.
Arlai will not be denied. He's stepping in everything he's got.
너무해. 그래서 아니
Left hook
했지.
overhand.
You know what? Like I was telling you before, yeah? If
음.
you keep
포인트 이하카.
Sorry to cut you off.
bên kia kia uppercut bên đi kia ra
oh,
Getting stuck in with these shots.
bốn hiểm từ xa
여섯 번이라고 아픈 삐빠이 아차 에이
It's just, you know, ladies and gentlemen, you have to see this
MT
from where we're sitting. You can hear every cut, every snap. And you can see Jason trying to clinch with that hand immediately to stop the action.
그래서
이러면 이만
Body
싹
shot,
내주면
that's some damage.
안 디스코.
And on the head,
제
one of the
음.
만 백돈이로 갖고.
do not lock the arm.
I don't know what looks like it from the corner.
He's opened up with a different spin. And look at that head movement. He got out of a 10-punch combination. 1-2 by Jason, taking him on.
택틱
It's
플레이
just his
실로 메이킹
aggression.
배추와
He's just,
그런
he
바이
doesn't know it's now just,
자우티라
it's got 6 minutes remaining in this fight. I'm going to step in,
And his belt is on the way.
and his belt is on the line, and it's you know, it's a big opportunity, and he wants to be champion.
Oh.
Both men want to be champion.
Both men, they want to be champions.
예스
If it was up to me,
Oh.
both men should deserve the belt. Honestly, but that's not how it
Oh
works.
my
Well,
God.
God,
Good
look like
combination
just-
from
아웃 NT 예스
Both these men, incredible action in front of us.
아무 예스
Good.
chặt đòn
Body shot after body shot after body shot.
MT 잘
xong phần gì này sẽ
라운드 넘버 9
Good job from
램
Man, what a
He
hit.
doesn't look like he's done anything, man.
No, he's not even breathing heavy. He's smiling, he's having a good
Eh?
time.
아주
아,
This is what he wants. He wants to shove him into the
이백는
corner.
팔럼이
But man, don't tell me that last flurry, which was incredible.
저 짜오
It
또
gave a lot of energy.
뭐
Nothing.
Beautiful combination. Not
Nothing.
Jason. Nothing.
Oh
Not
my
even
God.
Look at them go. Both of them. Body shot.
Hitting some punches.
Body shot after body
ระวัง
shot.
จะตกมันมี
Beh, retiming dove le tanto.
Because both these men have decided that
Phải là lỡ mà lắm.
the judges scorecard. If you have to get in your face,
Minit drum mo la si.
ไอ้เหี้ยตกแล้ว
所以到跟铁链
เนี่ยมันน่าจะปล่อยไป
ต้องขี่นะขี่มันขี่
I've never seen such kind of energy.
I've never seen this kind of. I mean, at one point they were
อันนี้ผม
just
เต้นโชกแล้วมัน
body shot after body shot after
俺
body
看他说那个了，
ว้าฮะดูสิเอ็นเตียน
It looked like it was hit so many times, so many counters. It doesn't.
เอ็นเตียนจักโดนโล
มีดังมันมี
เอ็นเตียนจักโดนโลเอ็นเตียนจัก
ตา
โด
เรียน
น
ค่ะมาขนาดดุ้มมาขนาดสัมดุ้มมา
ทำทุกสิ่งเดียวตัว
专门
อา
不
จารย์มี
上，
ขาดุ้ม
来就可以，
เอาขับมองขับเบียร์ดีกว่าเบียร์ดีกว่า
Last round mo, last round. Kamoy.
I've seen it happen in the 10th round.
อันนั้นสั้นมาเถย
Anything can happen in this
对大黑柴，那你那样拉可能跟那个
score because
高能那个咱们这帮看那个柴黑柴
Jason
了，
again taking the lead.
Tuna atay dul kol sa abel kol sa kito na kin ay joy do nimle.
所以 WBC
That's a slip.
找回来了，
That's a slip. That's not
WBC Asia Continental อันนี้มั้ง
That's a great job by the referee. That's good job. Yeah, because
Sa abel trangin.
not a knockdown. That's right.
อ่ะคุณอีกขี้
cái hình success cho bên bên con mấy từ
I'll
này
take it from
是ผมป่วยสักครบเลย
oh my god, again, beautiful 1-2 left right.
ตอกสุดจังเลย
Now looks like comes back to the fight. Jason
oh
doing everything in his power to
Oh.
keep
Yes.
up him. Oh my
Yes.
god.
Look at the replay, look at the replay. If you've never seen a fight,
ไอ้
I've
ปว
never
ด
seen
สิ
someone
ล่ะ
do it like that. This is
and the guy
Come
does
here.
not even tired.
oh big overhand right. He heard it. Oh wow, he's
Yes.
backing
มึง
up.
ขอทานเลยจังหวะมึง
yes
Yes, come on.
oh oh
Just on this, good
Come
job.
on, come on, come on, come on.
yes oh
ดีป่ะครับ
từ rất tận từ
No, no, he's going to slip. It's going to be a knockdown. It was a knockdown. Because he is
à mổ rồi đấy
down on one
โอ้
knee.
เว้ยกัด
But what is
นัก
good
แหล่
nice chin made
ไหน
up.
โดน
oh
Minit cut. Alari minit cut.
อ๋อดีตาม
yes
Both of them, they really need to get the belt at home.
It's my god. They made
round
both
2 đấy
Nam ang gutel do lo le.
combination from Jason.
heavyweight how round 2 kèm
Yes, that was a knockdown.
cái sản phim này là
เข้ามาเลยเห็นได้ต่อเลย
A khel to jong jong a chon la taf. Ti ge bero ni mi ti.
Pace slowing down. Both these men have given
cái sản phim này các con rơi thế em không mà
It's the
người
heel
ta phải chân
to the wall.
thế à
This is oh my god, I have no more words. I'm losing my voice. And both these men, the respect and admiration, the effort that they put in, the amount of punches, the punishment that they've taken, all was a quest
อิน
to
บุ้ง
cái
เปิ้ล
gì
บุ้ง
knock out tệ please
WBC Asia Continental Light Flyweight
Oh,
belt.
aku fu.
ah phụ về đông về lại sẽ
Like the warrior.
Oh my god. This was
10,
a
9,
คุย
8,
ฟ้าละ
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
ทำได้ต่อไหม
no one is slowing
Second.
down.
Hands
This
on.
is fast from exactly in the same speed they have.
If anything, I think it's become crazier now. Oh my god.
để nó ra đường về đấy thì bố bạn
Big uppercut there.
kia chặt gió luôn cái phía thì chuan
Eh, chak omin.
Incredible action for
Eh?
10 rounds.
Ain ring ve ve.
Amazing.
nó sang chữ nó rong nó sẽ lắm tống khắc
Spectacular.
em tự nhiên là
Once
là
again, you can see the
biết là
fatigue
có-
on their faces.
cho xéo thì đâu
Once
phân
did they let go of that opportunity to become the WBC
cho thế
Continental Flyweight title
thế
holders.
cho thế
To ba penalty di ve.
Well, now we go to the judges' scorecard.
Block me lo me kai.
à hoa phân mò chơi cho nó hiên mò mình đi fight weight champion mình đi a draw
quỳ to tám mò
We can see 4 to 5
boxing and draw hit thì vậy
it's that it's a battle for
bây giờ Fury ta quên draw to không mò mà là
and that's what we get in the main event of a
anh
DJMC.
thấy phát tốt anh vay chuyện kia ta lost name thấy nó nó
chân chụp point pe cái này à
thấy name
Both these men are warriors. I don't care.
Inti chak
I don't
ma
care. Give them both the belt.
thì là fit job mà đi fit job
They fight again. Yes. They did a
Đấy,
very good, incredible job. And you know,
anh tí hít chắc là mà sẽ cái
I don't care. I think both these men
thêm điểm được đấy
down the line.
à khel lệp khel to nhá
Because they're so evenly matched.
anh tí chưa phải ngán nó chia nhỉ
chỉ là làm cái nó
One more of a brawler. Incredible scenes, incredible performance. People are on their feet.
mizo po an khia tro
Wow.
Philippines ni hình ang luto
Yeah, that's just a secret. I don't know what's in the water, but yeah, it's and he's not even trying. He's not even breathing. Look, by now I would have been. One of my lungs
anh
would
tí
have
chưa
been
à chắc non lâu đấy
Ủa?
một tia chắc non lâu
Ở thì kìa.
cái phát chiếm luôn
first
Philippines bắt chắc là rộng đấy của Philippines.
mo ka din ka din da
cái rau nó sẽ nóng bằng
da
khai
ma salam tong kha chat ta
sống sao rất là
Mấy của bác còn bố anh khi bố anh nhiều về chú mà.
so hard.
trong dễ là làm mà sẽ
Tắm đầu.
Oh man, it's going to be something.
nó hữu nằm khóc mà
Have a tough one. This is going to take some
Chắc
time.
dọc thì hành ring.
I think that we might have reached a decision. Jericho has that paper in his hand.
nên record mà record
See
lâu
how
còn
they
tiêu
go
không
there.
nè
Man, I'm
đã có khẩn tốt một lời văn rít
crazy. I don't know who's going to win.
Giờ tụi em lên phòng theo cái đó.
Không có bao lâu mình đã.
nó bắt đầu môi thì về minister về rất ông lâu khóc mà
Philippines pa ki chak
Very good job. I'm going to watch the tape again. I mean, even though
anh tí còn lại đừng về thu đồng kỳ là phar về
Trong quan cách là hai nó sẽ chuyển một cái.
incredible scene.
just number one
Gentlemen, after 10 spectacular rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. The judges count about 94, 97, 97, 93, and 94, 96.
chắc là
For
chắc
your
là chưa
winner, and now,
Chưa.
the WBC
Quay
Asia
không mày.
Continental Champion,
bây giờ
Jason!
chặt phải
Ông này tốt không?
ồ
Chắc là bây giờ bọc nhớ đi. Đi vào nữa đi.
em tiệm đã tận tầng hoa bọn chưa tận chuông chân chưa chuông cho nó ăn lệ ăn mà ai professional fight
Đâu không đâu.
về cái là ta đi mua
anh nhá
À bây giờ phim Hà Phung thì na này.
inti hin ken han
thì là BBC Asia Continental Fight title dưới anh là official
ai ki pa ki tu le tu la
rồi thì
Ai có tiếng là cũng lớn lắm thầy là.
em tiền chưa ít chuẩn lắm thì nó lồng gì chứ mà cái tay fight này tôi không rõ hạt lồng nó lấy mẹ nó
Đúng có bên cháu ơi, chúng có thể quan hệ lắm lòng mà.
Không bọc nhớ đi đến khi xuống. Quay ấy sĩ là sao chứ? Chịu hoa này nó là cái gì đó.
Nè.
이제 또 매양 해 다가 같은 데 더